Good afternoon, truck guys and gals. Here's some progress on the Gladiator. Test fitting the fuel tank, diesel tank. Put one of the inner fenders in here. Make sure we're going to have clearance. There, we have space at the firewall and space at the radiator mount. And it should sit down in there a little lower, a couple inches, so you know the hood will close okay. I think we're good on that. Ideally, the fuel tank should be low. But we'll work on that problem another day. And then have it offset a little bit to the passenger side for the moment. As wanted to, before I fasten it down, make sure that I've got room for the steering column to pass through. So the steering has been moved. It used to be up here. It used to be way up here. Moved it to behind the front axle, and we've got a little transfer box that'll run from steering box input to the steering column output, so it shouldn't get in the way of any of this stuff. But some of the other things we had to do here. This link used to go forward, now it goes to the back. So in the leftmost turning position, this brake actuator, air brake actuator, is too long. So in order for this link to pass by, we had to shorten that. That's what a stock one looks like. Couple inches shorter, and that's not a big deal. Inside of there, and this is a hollow tube, and there's just a rod that goes in there that pushes on the wedge brake mechanism, so that's no big deal. And way up in there, you can see that this link here nearly hits the suspension grease point there. The grease fitting is out of it right now. What we'll do is just put a brass plug in there with an Allen key, so we make sure that this clears when it's operating. And on the rare occasion I need to grease that, I'll pull out the plug, put the Zerk in, grease it up. Things over here, this drain plug, a little close to the shock. I think it'll come out of there, but if not, I just pop this bolt, move it out of the way, service it, put it back. Let's see what else we got going on here. Yeah, we're about ready to chop off some more off the front. Right here, another foot off the front. So then we should have just enough room for the winch to go there. And nothing extra. That's where we are today. Talk to you next time.